Say hello, Claire. So we've finally got up to Scotland after 2 years of trying, and heading up for a night in the Lost Valley, and then maybe a couple of picnics tomorrow. We'll see. Bit of snow up there still. 8:10 now. It's dark at 20 to 9, so we're not going to get up there before it's dark. So I'm looking in the morning. But it was actually the best drive I've had up to Scotland in a long time. It's Easter Sunday today, and the roads are clearest I've seen them forever. Well, the weather's been lovely today. Forecast is looking good. We've got a good few days up here. First time on Scottish Mountains here. Very pretty place it is. That's the first cuckoo of the year I've heard as well. Actually really warm in here, sheltered from the breeze. Got a bit of a sweat on. Huh? Do you want to go up before me? Sure. Do you need a hand, Claire? No. Do you want a hand? No, well done. So we got up here just before it got dark, got a tent up. It's a little bit windy, it's lovely and quiet up here, so peaceful. One of my favourite places up here, and we're surrounded by a herd of deer. We've got the wind blowing in the hills above us. I'm going to get a good night's sleep and head up tomorrow. We haven't decided which one yet exactly, but we'll choose in the morning. So, first night sleeping on a Scottish mountain. If you do sleep, I mean, there are many ghosties around us. I'm going to sleep. She won't sleep because I'll be snoring. I drove all the way. She slept all the way, so it's fair. Right, let's see you tomorrow. We had quite a nice sleep in the tent last night. We're just packing up now to head up the Lost Valley buttress over there and see how it goes. Get up to the ridge. We're not decided whether we're going left or right yet. We will see the buttress on the peaks, but it's lifted. See. No signal up here, so I don't know what the forecast is. It was changeable today, but no rainfall. Hey, good morning. Well, the Clachaig has lifted and we're making our way towards the Lost Valley buttress. Hopefully we can get her. Oh, it's coming in behind us though. At the moment it's a lovely day for walking. It's not too warm. And we'll see how far we go. Alright, it's absolutely stunning up here. It's a special place here. We're not making very fast progress though, because Claire has to stop and take pictures of every little thing.
What are you saying?
It's a beautiful place. There's a herd of deer over there.
Yeah.
So we've come up now 1.7k from where we camped, and just met a couple who come down saying that there's rain forecast, so we'll see what it's like when we get a bit higher. So I've been driving past this hill for years, going to different places to do different things. I've always thought, must come and do that, looks good. Bet the views up there are amazing. And today's the day. We're just gonna top out very shortly on the Pap of Glencoe, and the views already are pretty stunning. As we started it was quite sunny, but the forecast is for it to get cloudier today before getting a little brighter later on, and that could be the bright bit over there coming this way. So we're nearly up the top. That has actually been, after the first long drag up, nice scrambly bits here and there, so that's been good. Not too bad. There we go. Hello.
No idea, because I can't see. That's not really a pointless photograph.
Oh, we're making our way back down.
Hey.
I'm talking to the camera. Say hello. I want to speak to the camera. Look at the camera. Come on. Speak. He's looking at you. All the people in the world of YouTube are looking at you. Both viewers. Yes, we're on the way back down, and we came a nice scrambly route down, which was good fun, and a bit of rain came in, but what a fantastic day. Obviously we've got to get back down yet, so anything could happen, but views are absolutely stunning to see for miles all round at the top. We're going to head down to the Clachaig Inn tonight for a wee dram maybe, and something tasty to eat. I'm hoping that they've got the Cullen skink on, but we'll see. And a rest day tomorrow when we do a little bit of sightseeing-ish, and then maybe we'll go up, have a look at Ben Nevis on Thursday, weather depending, but the forecast is good. So we're now off to the Clachaig Inn to get tea, and I've been looking forward to this nearly as much as getting on top of the mountains. I still hope they do the Cullen skink, because I want that if possible. Don't know what else yet. And I'm going to try very hard to get Claire here to eat a little bit of haggis. That's a lovely view, by the way. See that through there. What do you reckon? You can have some haggis?
Not.
Let's see. It's a hell of a view for a drive down the pub. So we didn't have the Cullen skink, but they've got that haggis which looks lovely, and Claire's got carrot and coriander soup. But I am going to try and get her to have a little bit of that haggis. Oh, look at that. At Claire's first ever try of haggis.
I don't know.
I think it actually tastes really nice with the oat cake, and
I don't know if it's because I've eaten the soup first.
yeah, you probably, because that's a little bit stronger tasting than this, so you're probably not getting as much of a taste. I'll tell you what, when we get back I'll make a haggis curry, and that will taste, that actually tastes amazing. So Claire's got a chickeny, sweet chilli chicken kind of thing, I can't remember what it's called, and I've got chili venison, or venison chili. There's quite a large portion of haggis there, and I'm actually a bit full, but I'm sure I'll manage to get through this. It'll be like that. That was a nice meal that we had. The Clachaig Inn, but this has got to be the pub with the best view in the whole of the country. That was the end of a good. Have you enjoyed yourself today?
Yeah, it's been a good day. Tiring, but good.
Did you enjoy the hill?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that was good.
Views were amazing. Well, that was the end of our day 2 or 3. We got here on Sunday. It's now Tuesday night, and we're going to move on to somewhere else tomorrow, but we don't know yet where yet. We'll have a rest day tomorrow, and then possibly see how it goes for Ben Nevis on Thursday. See how the weather is and how much sleep we get. But it's cracking up here in Scotland again. We're going to get some sleep now in this well-insulated tent with all the mod cons. See you tomorrow. Yeah. So this is the little camping pod that Claire booked us for last night. Was being in the tent for a few days. So we came here. It's rather nice actually, I must admit. I could get you also. This is the inside. Bed, shower room, cooking stuff. It's been nice in here, hasn't it? Oh yeah. Press the go button.
I'm not sure how you did it.
Oh, it's going to blow up. So this is absolute luxury tonight. Thanks to Claire, who's booked us a glamping pod thing. If this doesn't work, I'll go back to tents forever. Holy crap. Oh well, we'll see what happens. It's a bit vicious last week. So after that great night in the camping pod in Fort William, we went out the next day and headed up Ben Nevis. The weather was fantastic. We met some lovely people up there and had a great day. On the way down we grabbed another peak as well. But we did a whole video for that one and I'll put the link for that on the end of this one. This is our last night in Bonnie, Scotland. And it's been a lovely week. Have you enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
We've managed to cram a lot into. We come up Sunday, came up Sunday night, went up to Lost Valley. Then Monday we went up to headed up to up the Lost Valley Buttress, but got turned around by bad weather. Then we went up the Pap of Glencoe and had rather nice meal, didn't we? Well, for some reason, lost the sound here, more or less completely. But I think what I was trying to say is we had a great time in Scotland, yada yada yada. See you again soon. Cheers, bye. And we stayed in that nice pod.